Here's how to change your region in Steam. First, open your VPN. I'll be using Proton VPN, which you can download for free. And then set it to the country you want to switch to. In this case, I'll be using Quick Connect. This will now show the country I've connected my VPN to. Next, open Steam and add any game to your cart. You won't need to purchase it. Go to the cart, and on the middle right side, you'll see an option to update your country. Select the VPN country from the list. A prompt will appear. You can change your default store country and currency. Just select the new country you want to change to. And it also reminds you that once you change your default store country, you'll need to use a payment method with a billing address in that country. After updating the region, simply remove the game from your cart and your Steam account region should now reflect the VPN location.